You're about to buy an electric scooter? Stop, because one wrong decision can silently drain your money for years. Most people don't lose money on electric scooters because they're cheap. They lose money because of mistakes no one talks about. Stay till the end. The last mistake destroys batteries faster than anything else. You see a low price tag and think you've won, but the cheapest electric scooter often becomes the most expensive one. Weak frames, poor suspension, cheap controllers. After a few months, things start breaking. Repairs cost more than the scooter itself. A quality scooter feels expensive once. A cheap scooter keeps charging you again and again. Now here's a mistake almost everyone makes. They ignore battery quality. They just see long range written on the box and trust it. Big mistake. Low-grade batteries lose capacity fast. Your 40-kilometer range becomes 20, then 10. Replacing a battery can cost half the scooter's price. If it doesn't clearly mention branded lithium cells, walk away. Let's talk about power. Many riders buy scooters with weak motors to save money. At first it feels fine, until you hit a slope, or ride with a passenger, or face strong wind. The motor overheats, efficiency drops, battery drains faster. A slightly more powerful motor actually saves money long term. Here's a costly mistake nobody warns you about. Ignoring spare parts and service support. Some brands disappear in a year. No parts, no technicians. A simple controller failure turns into a dead scooter. Always check service availability before buying. Otherwise, you're gambling with your money. Now, the most dangerous mistake of all. Charging habits. People overcharge. They use cheap chargers. They charge immediately after long rides. This silently kills the battery from inside. A damaged battery doesn't die suddenly. It slowly becomes useless. And one day, you realize your scooter can't even finish a short ride. Electric scooters are amazing, silent, fast, cheap to run, but only if you buy them smartly. Because the real cost isn't the price you pay today. It's the mistakes you keep paying for tomorrow.